Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to combine the quick settings and the notification panel on this device. If you swipe down from the top right side, you can see the quick settings, and if you swipe down from the top left side, you can see the notification panel. So let me show you how to combine this quick settings and the notification panel. So to do this one, first of all, go to your quick settings. So here you can see one pencil icon. Just tap on this one. Then tap on the option panel settings on the top left side. Then here you can see two options, separate or together. For the separate, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open quick settings panel. Swipe down from anywhere else on the top of the screen to open the notification panel. To combine both of them, select the option together. You can see view notification and collapse the quick settings together. To view the full quick settings panel, swipe down one more time. So let me show you. Okay, now swipe down. You can see the quick settings and the notification panel. So if you want to view the full quick settings, again swipe down. Okay, so simply in this way we can combine the quick settings and notification panel on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.